What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back with another model unboxing review video. This time we have two beautiful Delta Airlines models by NG. We have the Delta Airlines 757-200, just a plain, the standard livery, no stickers que and then the Delta Airbus A321NEO, one of their new aircraft that Delta's recently received, also by NG. So yeah, let's dive right into it. We'll go ahead and start with the 757, and then we're gonna go on to the 321neo after. So yeah, I forget when these released. It was relatively pretty recently, this year in 2022. I forget which month, but very nice. I'm super excited to have another Delta 757, an actual NG one, like not a Gemini Jets one, which is what my other ones are. So yeah, registration on this is November 704 X-ray, and standard NG box, you know, the awesome box art and the CGI and whatnot of the aircraft. It's looking really nice. Let's go ahead, open it up, take a look what we got. Comes with the card. Put that off to the side. Classic styrofoam packing for the 757. And now to gently get it out. Hope for the best. Ooh, a little stuck. There we go. Alright, that is a fantastic model if you ask me. This looks absolutely stunning. We're going to move that off to the side there. Alright, would you look at that, guys? Beautiful 757 by NG. Their mold is absolutely top notch. I have no complaints with this mold. It looks incredible. So let's go ahead and dive in. Just gonna adjust this slightly. There we go. Alright. So taking a look here at the front nose. Great great nose shape, cockpit window details and everything. Got the little SkyTeam logo next to the L1 door there. Some great details there on the door. Got the Delta titles. Little Delta logo, got the main gear, looking really nice, some great detail there, and then 6803 on the gear door there. And moving along, some good details there between L1, L2. Got L2 there, got the antenna on the top, or sorry, the Wi-Fi, one of the Wi-Fi boxes, satellite boxes on top. Got the antenna, got the engines, the Rolls-Royce looking really nice. Very nice. I believe, wait, are these Rolls-Royce? I believe so. I don't think they're the Pratt & Whitney. I could be wrong. I didn't actually look up this reg to see what engines were on this reg, but nonetheless looking very nice. The wings looking really nice, good winglets. And everything very nice. Great details, you can see, no flex, really nice. So moving along, some good details just along the aircraft. L3 there, small little emergency exit there. American flag, registration 704 X-ray. Some good details back in L4 then. Right there. Looking at the tail and the nose cone, or tail cone area and horizontal stabilizers is very nice. Got the little number up at the top there again, which is the ship number. Same as on the gear door. And spinning it around, looking really nice. Tail looks great. Got the baggage door there at the back. All the other details are the same, and then you have the baggage door here at the front on this side. We'll go ahead and take a look at the top of the aircraft. Very nice. And then we'll take a look at the bottom. It has the Delta belly with the stand hole right there in the E. But very nice. So overall, a great model. Highly recommend it. You know, NG never fails with these 757s. Really nice. So we'll go ahead and put this off to the side. We'll jump in to the A321NEO. So Delta's recently received quite a few of these. This was their second one, 502 Delta X-Ray. I believe 501, it was either Delta November, Delta X-Ray was the first one. Yeah. So I picked this up just because it looks like a really nice model. I'm sure it's going to end up in LA eventually, as they have so many on order. JC Wings did I believe it was JC Wings or Panama's. One of them did, I think it was Panama's. They released 2 of them, but I didn't pick those up. I just picked this one up, this NG one up. Just one for now. I'm sure we'll get more releases of these in the future, in time, like another reg or something. But yeah, so standard box for NG, you know, again, the nice box art, the plane on it, whatnot. Let's go ahead, open it up, and check out this beautiful 321NEO. The card, as always. Alright. Box. Alrighty. Looking good. Alright, beautiful guys, all intact. Fantastic. Alrighty, there we have it, guys. There is the A321NEO Delta. I think this looks absolutely spectacular. I have seen it in real life in Atlanta. It honestly is a sharp looking bird. It looks really good. And it fits the Delta fleet. I love, you know, the cockpit windows, how it kind of has that look to it, raccoon look almost, if you want to call it, that sort of black paint or tint around. I'm not sure. I guess it is a type of paint or coating around it. Looks really, really nice. Looks really sharp. But yeah, so taking a look at this nose section here, you got the cockpit windows, as I say, looking really nice. Some great detail around the nose cone there and everything. The front of the plane. Got the SkyTeam logo next to L1 door. Delta logo. Delta titles. Got the little beacon, or sorry, antenna up there. Main gear looking pretty good. Here's it. There is a little hair or something right there. Take care of that. There we go. Sorry about that. Alright, here we go. Moving along. There is no L2 door on this aircraft. Like right here, there is just a little emergency exit, as you can see marked off right there. Got 2 overwing exits, and then you have another exit just after the wing. L3 door, and then, well, I guess this would be technically L2. And then L3 right at the back there. Registration number 502 Delta X-Ray, American flag. Got the antennas at the top there, the little Wi-Fi dome and whatnot, looking really good. Wings, the engine's looking really nice for the Neo. Some great detail. Those fan blades and everything inside there look really, really nice. Very, very great detail. Great detail. Very nice looking. Very sharp looking, and then the wings and the winglets looking really nice as well. Then you got the tail of the Delta logo, the fleet number, and whatnot. Spinning it around. Here you have the little bulk compartment there. Got the other baggage door. Everything else is the same in terms of the details, and you got the forward baggage door there. So very, very nice model. Very, you know, great detail around the tail cone and horizontal stabilizers looking really good. The wings looking really nice. The engine's looking good. We'll go ahead and take a look at the top of the model once I spin it around here. Zoom out a little bit. Got the top, some good details there in the overwing exit markings. And then spinning around, you got Delta belly with the E being blocked out by the stand hole. But overall, very, very nice. Some great detail at the bottom. You got the little antennas there as well. So NG, I think they've done a fantastic job with this. I'm looking forward to more of these being released in the future, different regs. by NG, not anytime soon, but in a couple years, whatnot, have a couple more of these released would be nice. But that's going to do it, so let's go ahead and bring in the 757. And here we have these two outstanding models. Highly recommend both of them if you can still pick them up. It's nice to see some good Delta models being released by NG again. Honestly, still really hoping, well, now that they have the A320 and A319 molds, really hoping that we can see a Delta A320 and a Delta A319 being released, because, oh man, the Gemini Jets versions are really old. There's just no sign or no indication that Gemini Jets cares to release any Delta aircraft in terms of the 320 and 319. So, it's quite promising with NG and their new 320, 319 mold, that we will see a Delta hopefully by the end of the year, if not early next year. But it's probably one of the most highly anticipated, well, I wouldn't say it's one of the most anticipated models, and it's something that we as collectors, a lot of us really want for our collections, for airports and whatnot. So with that being said, that's going to wrap it up for this video on this 321neo and this 757. I hope you all enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more model unboxing videos, plane swelling videos, etc. And take care for now, guys. See ya.